Stop. Do not buy the M4 iPad Pro. Seriously, put your wallet away. If you are thinking about upgrading your tablet, or even replacing your laptop in 2026, you need to see what Samsung is about to unleash. Because if the latest leaks coming out of Korea are even half true, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra isn't just an upgrade. It is a declaration of war. We are talking about a device that could finally kill the notch, introduce a display technology that makes your TV look dim, and pack more RAM than your gaming PC. For years, we have been asking the same question. Can a tablet actually replace your laptop? For years, the answer has been almost. But the Tab S12 Ultra looks like the first Android tablet that might actually force us to change that answer to a yes. Today, we are going deep into the rabbit hole. We're breaking down the Grade 5 titanium chassis, the rumored Tandem OLED display that's set to humiliate the competition. It's a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip that's putting up scary benchmark numbers. And the one software feature that Apple is still too scared to give us? Buckle up, because the tablet market is about to get violent. Welcome back to TechVibe, where we filter through the noise to bring you the signal on the future of technology. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and know exactly what's coming next, you are in the right place. I'm your host, and today, we are dissecting the beast. This is everything we know about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. Let's start with the thing you look at every single day: the display. Samsung has been the king of screens for a decade, but recently, Apple stole the crown with the Tandem OLED on the iPad Pro. Well, Samsung took that personally. The leak suggests the Tab S12 Ultra will feature a massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. But here's the twist: rumors point to Samsung adopting their own variation of Tandem OLED stacking technology. Why does that matter to you? Brightness. We are hearing whispers of a peak brightness hitting 2,800 to 3,000 nits. This isn't just about watching HDR movies in the dark. This is about using your tablet in direct sunlight on a construction site, a cafe patio, or a park bench without squinting. If you are a video editor or a photographer, this color accuracy is going to be effectively perfect. But the biggest design change isn't what they are adding, it's what they might be removing. The notch. That controversial little cutout for the cameras that has plagued the Ultra series for years. It might finally be history. Supply chain reports indicate Samsung is testing an advanced under-display camera UDC technology for the S12 Ultra. Now, we have seen UDC before on the Fold series, and frankly, the quality was mediocre. But this is the second or third generation of that tech. If Samsung pulls this off, you are getting a 14.6-inch floating canvas with zero interruptions, just pure pixels. That alone makes this device feel generations ahead of an iPad with a hole in the screen. Now let's talk about the body. The Tab S9 Ultra and S10 Ultra were already impossibly thin, but they were heavy. Holding them one-handed was a workout. The S12 Ultra is rumored to shift to a Grade 5 titanium alloy frame. This does two things. It increases durability, making it much harder to bend this massive slab, and it cuts down the weight. We don't have exact grams yet, but if they can shave off even 10% of the weight while keeping that massive footprint, the ergonomics will completely change. You might actually be able to hold this thing in bed without fearing for your nose if you drop it. But a pretty face is nothing without a brain. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is all but confirmed to run on the Snapdragon 8, leader, potentially a 4 Galaxy overclocked variant of the Gen 2 Elite. We are moving past the point of mobile chips, where the benchmarks leaking for this architecture are trading blows with desktop silicon. We are talking about multi-core scores that chew through 4K rendering, 3D modeling, and intense multitasking without breaking a sweat. And to feed that processor, Samsung is going overboard on memory. The base model is rumored to start at 12 gigabytes of RAM, with higher tiers offering 16 gigabytes. But here is the wildcard rumor: a limited edition 24 gigabytes RAM variant. Why on earth do you need 24 gigabytes of RAM on an Android tablet? 2 words: Overhauled Dex. This is the segment where Samsung usually wins, And this year, they are doubling down. We know the hardware is capable, but the software has always been the bottleneck. Leaks suggest the Tab S12 Ultra will launch with One UI 8.1 based on Android 16, featuring a completely overhauled DeX mode. We are hearing terms like desktop class, windowing, and Linux-kernel integration. Imagine plugging this tablet into a monitor and not just getting a phone interface stretched out, but a legitimate desktop environment that supports pro-level apps. There are rumors that Samsung is working with developers to bring full-fledged versions of creative suites to this device. If the S12 Ultra can run a desktop-class browser with full extension support and manage distinct windows with the fluidity of Windows 11 or Mac OS, the iPad Pro loses its biggest advantage. Apple is terrified of cannibalizing their Mac sales. Samsung has no such fear. They want this tablet to replace your laptop. Let's address the creators. If you draw, design, or take notes, the S Pen is your sword. The good news? It's still free in the box. Apple. Take notes. Charging $130 for a pencil is criminal. The bad news? We aren't seeing massive changes to the pen's design, but the latency is dropping. You're looking at a rumored 1.8 milliseconds latency, combined with a 120 Hz or possibly 144 Hz refresh rate. The ink will flow out of the tip before your brain even registers you moved your hand. There is also chatter about a new S Pen Pro 2 with haptic feedback that simulates the friction of paper, giving you physical feedback when you switch from a pencil tool to a marker tool. However, we need to have a serious conversation about the battery. A 14.6-inch screen running at 2000 nits is a power vampire. The leak suggests Samsung is keeping the battery size roughly the same, around 11,200 to 11,500 mAh. They are banking on the efficiency of the Snapdragon chip to extend battery life. But the real contention is charging speed. For years, we've been stuck at 45 West. It is painfully slow for a battery this big. It takes nearly 2 hours to fully charge the Ultra. The Chinese competition companies like OnePlus and Xiaomi are offering 67 West and even 120 W charging on their tablets. Rumors for the S12 Ultra are split. Some say we are finally getting 65 WL or 80W charging, which would be a game changer, allowing you to get a 50% charge in 30 minutes. Others say Samsung is playing it safe and sticking to 45 West. If they stick to 45 West on a Pro device in 2026, that is a massive missed opportunity. We will have to wait and see, but cross your fingers for speed. Connectivity is another area where the US audience gets a specific boost. We expect Wi-Fi 7 support out of the box. If you have a Wi-Fi 7 router, the throughput speeds on this tablet will be insane. Perfect for streaming 8,000 content or cloud gaming via Xbox Game Pass or J4s now. And yes, the quad speaker setup tuned by AKG is returning, but with larger driver chambers for better bass response. The Tab S series already has the best speakers on any tablet. Making them better is just showing off at this point. So when can you buy it, and how much will it hurt your bank account? Historically, Samsung releases tablets on an 18-month cycle. This puts the release window for the Tab S12 series in the late summer or early fall of 2026, likely alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8. As for pricing, do not expect a bargain. The Tab S10 Ultra was already expensive. With the switch to titanium and the new Tandem OLED panels, the base price for the S12 Ultra could easily start at $1,299, or even $1,399 for the US market. This pushes the device into premium laptop territory. You could buy a MacBook Air or a high-end Dell XPS for that money. So, the question you have to ask yourself is, do you want a laptop that is just a laptop? Or do you want a slice of the future that transforms from a cinema screen to a digital canvas to a workstation? If you are currently sitting on a Tab S9 Ultra or S10 Ultra, the upgrade might depend entirely on that notchless screen and the new DeX capabilities. But if you are holding on to an older Tab S8, S7, or heaven forbidden iPad, the S12 Ultra is shaping up to be the generational leap you have been waiting for. The authentic truth is that Samsung is the only company actually trying to push the hardware limits of what a tablet can be. Apple is comfortable. They give you a great chip and shackle it with iPad. Samsung is giving you a Ferrari and handing you the keys to drive it however you want. We are going to be tracking every single leak, benchmark, and supply chain rumor leading up to the launch. If you want to see the camera tests, the battery drain comparisons, and the brutal honesty about whether this thing is worth your rent money, you need to be subscribed. Drop a comment below. What is the one feature Samsung needs to add to make you switch from an iPad or a laptop? Is it the software, the battery, or just the price? Let's argue in the comments. Thanks for watching TechVibe. If you found value in this deep dive, hit that like button. It helps the algorithm find other tech lovers like us. I'll catch you in the next video where we might just be looking at the future of foldable phones. Stay curious.